trying to live this life, a life of so many heartaches, misery and strife. Preacher, man, I don't have no clue, but Jesus, I'm gonna stay with you, gonna keep my hand in your hand till I reach that promised land. I got to run on. I got to run till I make it through that finishing line. Oh, I got to run on. I got to run till I make it through that finishing line. Well, I've had some hard times. Yes, I have. Counting up through the years. Yes, sometimes the rain, but also with tears. Yeah, I never made up mine. Well, I'm gonna be left behind. No, run this race. Yeah, see Jesus. I got to run till I make it through my finishing line. I don't want to just get to it, but I want to run this. I got to run on. How many gonna run on? I got to run till I make it through that finishing line. Well. If you come around, just wave your hand. I gotta lay up I gotta run on. I got to run till I make it move that finishing line. Ain't going nowhere. Oh, I got to run. I got to run. I got to run on. I got to run on. Anybody out there gonna run on? We can get a name about the head and say, pretty little bit troublesome. I got to run. But I got to go anyhow. I want to let y'all know what made me go down. What the world has said. I'm gonna run. Yes, I am. Got to run till I I got to run on. I got to run it on. No matter what the devil does. No matter what the devil does. You have to make it up my own mind. I got to run on. I got to run on. Say yeah. Yeah. Yes. I got to run on.
Hey!
Ain't gonna let nothing stop me. 79 years old. Look, got too old to stop. Got too old to quit. Sometimes trouble gets in my way. Come on, Rick. But I look at the trouble and say, I got a made up mind. 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 I ain't gonna let nothing stop me. You got a made up mind. Yes, sir. I was watching TV last night, and they were showing all the folks that was in the march, talking about getting rid of the king. So that's, you're right about that, but you need to invite a king. Yeah, you talking about King Trump, I'm talking about King Jesus. We got to stop playing and invite him in for real. Why? Because it's trouble time. How many of y'all in here know it's trouble time?
Yeah.
Right? The Lord is warning us. He's trying to get our attention. And we're playing with him. But I got music for you. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going home. I ain't going nowhere, Jonas.
Hey. Yeah.
I want somebody that's having a little trouble right now to just tell the devil I'm going to run. I don't care what the world might say. I'm going to run. Yeah. This is